Flaky puff pastry rolled with a smear of mayonnaise plus thinly sliced smoked salmon, dill, and 2 cheeses. Perfect for brunch, parties, casual get-togethers. It's our smoked salmon pinwheel appetizers. We posted a similar recipe a couple months back and we got a resounding 2 thumbs up. This got us thinking perhaps we could tweak the recipe a little bit, putting the flavor of smoked salmon forward. Wait until you try them. Now let's get started with a couple of prep steps. Frozen puff pastry, defrost in the fridge overnight or on the counter 2 hours before you intend to make. Next, we're doing a mayo mix, something that mimics the flavors of things we often serve with smoked salmon. Fresh dill, you'll need maybe 2 tablespoons for the recipe. We're gonna finely chop it. Place the dill into a small bowl. Let's also chop up 1 tablespoon of capers. They go into the bowl as well, along with a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of prepared horseradish, a teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir to combine. We're gonna set that dilly mayo caper mix to the side. We'll need an egg wash, so 1 egg in a small bowl plus 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk to combine. You're gonna set it to the side with a pastry brush along with sesame seeds, Parmesan, and black pepper. Now, 3 big flavored ingredients that are gonna get rolled up in the puff pastry. You're gonna need Gruyere cheese, 1/2 cup, it's grated. We're also calling for 1/2 cup of crumbled goat's cheese. I like to crumble it using 2 forks. It's a wonderful addition to this recipe. Last ingredient is smoked salmon. 8 thin slices should do the trick. Ingredients are ready, time to make those pinwheels. Thawed pastry goes onto a lightly floured board. We're gonna roll it out. Then we're gonna spoon the enhanced mayo across the surface. Spread it out evenly, leaving a 1/2 inch border. Then we're gonna add the goat's cheese. Spread it out evenly, followed by the smoked salmon. Lay the slices onto the cheese. Look how thin they are, perfect layer. Follow with the grated Gruyere. Now, starting at the long end of the pastry closest to you, roll the dough up tightly. Make sure everything stays within. And when you get to the top, we want to brush that edge with egg wash to seal the roll. Then wrap it up. We're going to refrigerate the roll for 30 minutes. Once your roll has chilled, we're ready to bake. Oven goes to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Have 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. You'll also need a serrated knife ready to go. You can trim off the very ends. Then we're cutting rounds about 1/2 inch thick. I get 16 out of 1 roll. We're gonna transfer them to a baking sheet, 8 per sheet. The final step is to brush the top of each pinwheel with the egg wash, then add a tiny sprinkle of Parmesan, a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper, and last, a little something something, how about a sprinkle of sesame seeds? Into the oven they go. We're gonna bake for 18 to 20 minutes. The pinwheels will puff up and get a gorgeous golden color. Gently transfer them to a wire rack. Leave them to cool for about 5 minutes before you serve. Brunch, cocktail parties, casual get-togethers, these pinwheels are amazing. Guess what else is amazing? The full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when an appetizer is this appetizing, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Smoked salmon pinwheel appetizers. First bite and you'll be hooked. Get it? Hooked salmon. Anyway. Pastry's flaky. Inside is tasty. Love it. Enjoy.